YouTube channel. I have Abigail again with me today. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so basically this is the part 2 video of question and answers. If you haven't watched the part 1, please go and watch the part 1 first. It's quite lengthy and I don't know, you might like it or you might find it boring. But a few questions which were pending, I had to complete them because people were literally messaging me constantly, when are you coming with the second video, when are you coming with the second video. So I had to do it. I'm sorry if I made you wait really long, but yes, and I'm sorry. Again, I'm gonna say the same thing. This is not gonna be the edited video. It's gonna be like in one go. So माशे आमकां सजमन घेवचें कितें जी बेशी तेशी आलोल जाल्या आनी people have been complaining like that you don't speak much, so you have to speak as well in the video. Okay. I will okay, fine. So I think we're gonna start with the questions. Let's start.
Okay, the first question.
Yes.
Sherino. Hey Morgan, loved your question and answer on YouTube. Loved the way you spoke, mostly in Konkani, and the way you answered your questions. Biggest fan of you, especially when you sing Lona's songs. By the way, my question is, when are you coming to Cayman?
Thank you, Sharina, for all the compliment that you've given me. Like, you've never stopped complimenting me. Thank you very much. Yes, I will never stop talking in Konkani. I think that is that is in my blood. It is inside my heart. Konkani ulapa kenna bon jawpa na. And there were times where people even doubted my nationality. मुगे pure sashti konkani nu ten kole haun goinkar mon pure goinkar mon. So yes, I will never stop talking in Konkani. And this time yes, I think many other people love me the way I sing Lona's songs, and it's because I usually sing her songs because I love her so much, and I always dreamt to just meet her when I was younger, but I never thought I would even sing with her on stage together. So when I sang with her on the stage together, it was like a biggest achievement for me. We did a show together in Dubai, in Oman as well. So yes, I will never stop singing Lona's songs, no matter how old I am. And so yeah, you asked me when I'm coming to Cayman. I'm not sure when I'm coming to Cayman, but I really want to come to Cayman because it's such a beautiful. I don't know if you know that about this place.
But you never told me you're going to Cayman.
No, I'm not going to Cayman, but I'm just like I would want to go there one day because I've been to so many places, but I want to go to. I definitely want to go someday. Like, there are so many places in my bucket list where I want to travel, but game tani fenu galpa mena awaz ata bisto. So yes, I would really want to come one day. Begin at all, sugli agudi bahut I think so pa tumge dori sugli like this video. I will really come one day. So thank you very much, Sharina, for the question. And Mog, love, akko mge karna to Mog for you and your wife and your little son. So next question.
So next one is Shakira Coutinho.
Okay. Shakira.
Like, you're an amazing YouTuber.
Okay.
Like, I always admire you.
Thank you.
Watched all your videos and they are superb.
Thank you.
My question to you is, when did you start your own YouTube channel? Like, now, how did you get interest in all these things?
I think I had a YouTube channel like 3 years ago, but I've never posted anything like technically what happened was when I left Goa, and like basically when I left the stage, people started questioning me like, when are you coming back into theatre? We miss your voice, we miss your acting. So I thought like, makai ki jata like I used to miss singing and acting so much. But then I said like, I have no option, like I'm come here for a better reason. Then people started saying, why don't you open your YouTube channel? Like, you can give it a try. What's there to give it a try? I am a business, so I'm gonna try the and Max. I think Max is one of the reason why I took interest in this. And to be honest, I think I can say 70% effort Max kata. 70% effort in the videos, whatever we do for both of our channels, it's Max, and munge 30% astolo. So it's he's also part of my achievement, I can say, because I think I have more than 5,000 subscribers now within a year. It's been just 1 year that I've started officially Maksang Gamelo. So yes, it's been like 1 year. So yeah, and it's because of people's love as well. Like itu zanan message gailo, so why disappoint them? And mugli fushaloli, so I thought of doing it. So I've done it. I've started with it, and I think I'm gonna succeed one day. I don't know. Soglen deva aati ha nare. Kota no mudpan aate. Data boil. Look, my complaint kota your friend doesn't talk mutai. Okay, she's shy, guys. Te masha lojeta. Loji okoltish konti amgi guys teshko bottle mutish ko palotti. Okay.
So next question. Princey Afonso Rodriguez. Hi, Princey.
So I look my mutal out Princey, but especially is up kelya.
So she's saying like, why some people hate you? Why they call you by names? You have an image. You are an artist. You should shut them. Don't you feel hurt when they call you in names?
Initially, I would get hurt. Like, rotale zaite rotale. Makeshkon kitam mutai, teshkon kitam mutai. But I think I'm strong enough to understand that it's all jealousy. People call you by names when they can't be you. They can't live the life I live. And because the way I have achieved things, temko zal na dekun, temko te sosu zaina, like muko ati gori mi sosu zaina teshko. Temko te sosu zaina. And tek lagon, and it is not other people who spoil your names. It tumge own asta hai. And I'm telling you this with my personal experience. I have my own friends who have spoken bad about me behind my back, and finally kitna kitkon kola. So, like you should be careful whom you trust. I would say in one word, don't trust anybody. Like believe everything, trust nothing. This is my motto. So, because so, now kitkon pidar zata konache when like you say your enemies, if your enemies go and tell about you, nobody will believe. But when your own friends go and tell, oh, my friend, they patla neshe, she shows that she's nice. That is the time, friend, wrong kita sangtole, sarki hobar sangtole mutai. Because they think it is a friend who actually sees, but it is all fake. It is all fake. And when this happens, it's only because of jealousy. Jealousy when they can't achieve what you achieve. And complexion problem, lot of things. So I think it's only because of jealousy, and I don't think I should care about people who talk shit about me behind my back. Bunkayte sonia ani adan faidna, utinche hadur man faidna, it's a waste of time. So let them talk whatever. If you have guts, so yeah, what do you think? There are betrayals, no? And the worst part about betrayal is it doesn't come from your enemies, it comes from your own friends. Dash marte hain ye log. Agree or no? Your own friends, you do these things, no? So yeah, you should be really careful, like kona trust kar pachen. So yeah, I don't care, ma kite mudai, ma khatlya kite mudai, mush tondar mudpa gatse zale mudai, aao ma ki tung dita kit dipa hade. So Princey, I think you got your answer. And some people, like I have my own people asking me, oh, te log esko chede bin tuka kita message gata esko no, because you wear short clothes ani मला ई आखे संसार एकटे short clothes gata ani log gaine eshe short clothes so when tu kena messages eskono kit ata ine eskono sexy ani eshe deshe bin mon kit eskon vulgarity, you get right? You're a girl, she's a girl, she doesn't expose as much as I do, tek kit ata but loka oba na tek ata because she doesn't expose them. So I'm expose kota montri kon expose kota iti wrong kor pa na because you're a girl, क्योंकि तू लड़की है, ऐसा नहीं कर सकती है. It's not like that, dude. If you're a girl, जायजान छोडवा येताय, पण सगळी छोडा दाखो हिंदी नाही, कोणा केसो मेसेज येताय त्यो कित्या तेंक भिरांत आसो तापणाची. Not everybody is like सगळी डेअरिंग आसनाय. So I think तू आता एजमुखार करे ते मुझे बरे पण ढेरिंग जातोले दादाली जापा ना प्रॉमिस कर
झाले ऑलरेडी
साला न्यू यू ऑलरेडी सो यस तुम कोणा फोड बी झाला तेरा मार्क ब्लेम कोणा काय So yeah, I think it's because of that. You should not really care about people who talk behind your back, and I really don't care. Ow! Kalli balli. So Prince, you got your answer right. Next.
So next one is Pauline 3942. She's saying you are an amazing person.
किती त्याचे size for 3940. Sorry guys. मशे jokes को ता please राख दो ना कि 3940. I think it's an Insta ID.
She's saying you are an amazing
She
person.
or he would have what now? Class number amazing. Okay, read.
When will you get back to Tiyat?
What is it? You are an amazing person. When will you get? I'm sorry, Pauline, for making fun of you. Timag bare compliment dila. Thank you. When will I get back to? As I said in the previous video, I don't know. I'm not sure when I'm going to get back into theatre, or if I will get back into theatre, or I will not. Ma khobor na. So yeah, I can't really tell you when. I'm sorry. Okay, next.
Next is Alex Fernandez. He's asking, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is
Black?
No, black. No, black and white together. So it's black and white together. I think I also like black, and I also like white, and I don't mind wearing any colors, but I think mostly I like black and white together. Put together. तो क्या कैसा favorite color है?
Black and white.
बेस्ट है था put मुमना का.
Yeah, black and white.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
So next one, Mac Lloyd Fernandez.
Mursha how colored gun how color to be like that upon sort of favorite black and white.
So Mac Lloyd Fernandez.
Okay.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
It's a question, no? Why did the chicken cross the road? Signal पडो असतलो तो signal green झाला असतलो आणि मी cross केला से किसली question ना किती कोण ते
Mac Lloyd Fernandez.
Mac Lloyd Fernandez कमी पूछता किती तू बेजार को था किसली question है यार किती बोलेलो काय
So this one, next one, I don't want to pronounce it. Can you pronounce it?
No, it's Gunslingerday. Okay, so now Saiba can't know. What is it?
Favorite city you want to go every time?
Oh, favorite city I want to go every time. I don't ever want to go to any city like again and again. I think I like to travel different places, but once a time. And if I really like it like a lot, magi mak pot potno spa dista but azun mak dislo na. But I want to go. I feel like I want to go back to Greece once again. Ik pad paula panani padas and also Ibiza. I think these are the places which I feel like going again. But magan zai so paula Brazil, so paula Singapore, so paula zai so paula. So I don't want to go again and again the same place. No.
So next one, Tiny Little Things Goa.
Okay, Tiny Little Things Goa. Okay.
Secret of your skin.
At the moment, makeup. But otherwise, I think secret of my skin is the secret kit ko toli. By the way, I don't do anything. Kai kona care gina kai gina. I think I don't have really that good skin. Like I get pimples, I get blemishes, I get pigmentation problem. I get design there so ta mak pimple फोड़ पा भी हो so वही हाँ आम भी हाँ पास वही है जैसे so आम भी हेल मुट्ठी पिंपल लेता है पर आम भी हाँ पा बन जाए ना so I don't have perfect skin I can say but yeah I'm courageous enough to expose myself without makeup. I can stand in front of public without makeup and I have before like in my live videos and all. So I don't care, you know. I think I don't have any secret of my skin. They are all actually. देवा कोण सारपाचें मागीर ती गेल मुटरी उपर मागीर चल दुसरें ओ व्हडला जातालो व्हिडिओ ना जाल्यार.
So next one, Albino Jonathan Carvalho.
Okay.
He's asking, are you an actress? No, she's an actor.
Yeah, ni kiss a question no. Okay, yes, I'm an actress. Hey Deva. Okay. Maybe he doesn't know.
Zinman Dang Dang.
Was that cow down? What?
Dang Dang.
Okay, sorry.
Are you Roman Catholic?
What question is this? It's not important even if you're Catholic, Hindu or whatever. All you have to be is a good human. To the Roman Catholic zalo. And if you do bad to people, what's the point? Kit faido? Kari sa pahla puro munis boras pa zaito. Roman Catholic, Hindu, Muslim, that's not important. I'm sorry, I know you were curious to know about my religion, but yes, I am Roman Catholic, but I don't have to show that I'm a Roman Catholic or whatever. I just have to show that I'm a good human. That's more important. Do you agree? Which one are you? Which one?
So Darren Rocktown, he's asking, had your meal?
Huh?
Had your meal?
Oh, I Abegail on a pastel maka. Yeah, guess a question. Had your meal? Obviously, matela kona how pi mono. हाँ जीतोले आओ पास कोना लगा रहा ना मंगे कितने
Valinka Miranda.
Okay.
I have known you since our school days.
Okay.
You were very active and a positive person, a good dancer and a singer.
मरे आता मोटे जाल मोड़ पास दिते हाँ जाले Okay, thank you. I should take it as a compliment or what? Okay, thank you. I think it's a compliment. हाँ तुमको जाए ना मोट जालो. Okay, next.
Johan Korea, what scares you the most?
So yeah, smart head too. What if I tell you what scares me the most? Maka risk nuti. Eshe maka dusman uni nahi. So I don't think tuk sangto eshe what scares me the most. I will never tell anyone what scares me. There's nothing that scares me the most in this world. There is just one thing that scares me the most, and I don't want to say it because I think people will try to take advantage. Like people who hate me will try to take an advantage of yeah. Obviously, they're going to take advantage. So I'm not going to tell. I'm sorry. I'm not going to tell what scares me the most. Magi trust kotle maka. Maybe weak point more magi. Angkor panai trust kor panai maka. You should never tell your weak point. Oh, sang pana.
So, Missika Fernandez, what is your beauty secret again? And the same question is asked by Aya8735.
No, I think it's the same. Beauty, I think beauty, what's more important is inner beauty. To thoda anbod this ole, and I karis kuslo, what's the point? I think inner beauty is more important. If you're asking me about that beauty, that is because of how I am raised. Muge mai pai bori magbor tish dek shkoila. Subezolo pa dekte shkoila na. Ti muge own talent. Ti deso teng na deso market teku ha. So if you're talking about that, it is because of my parents. That is my inner beauty. I'm raised like that. Bor dekin vado ilmon.
So Stacey Goes
Time tanta.
Is, are you in UK currently?
Yes, I'm in UK currently. Because I love traveling different countries. But at the moment, kita video. Astalo, the such. Kito warsa magi. And don't warsan so ishe. And I'm going hazale morshe. To UK, I'm going ha morshe.
So Boyka 9398. That's the last one.
Okay, that's the last one.
When is
you
your
sure?
Yeah.
You finished the other ones?
Yes.
These ones?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Boys are like fast ka barais.
Asking when is your next song coming?
I don't know when is my next song coming. Ma khabar na, but musician mere paas jaa itra satay. Demand musician also. Very busy as that lockdown. Now everybody wants to do songs, so I think I should start. I'm thinking to do like videos, Stefani videos on any content like but topic gain ki teshko videos kor paata because songs kor pa now it's very difficult because iskal musician mere pa bahut difficult. Next all ma musicians zalya puro ma kai wazo pa kona. Yeah, I think I don't know the next song. Zale tori pais pasun kai olel nahi pechar kota. You still don't want to talk anything? Sharma gayi. Okay guys, I think it's time to wind up. And yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whoever did not subscribe to my channel, also subscribe to Max Cabral, my YouTube partner. Because I'm zaida tras kin kota video. Ek video ti tu tras nahi pon muta otherwise diko I'm zaida tras katai. So कितु आता कालू मगे एक वीडियो 2 lakh views येले 2 lakh views in 5 months पण त्या 2 lakh कोई लोकांनी मंगेलो वीडियो मगे चॅनल सबस्क्राइब केलो जा कितु बरें जावपाचें न्हू पण करूं सोद नाही बोटाचे पेज येत आसतलो अशको मारपा सबस्क्रायबाचे बोट कितू पाड मारलें बोट लोकांगे सबस्क्रायब पाहिजे मुगे बोटा कांय जावं ना कित्याक म्हण खबर ना लोक चोयता आसो चोयाय पूण सबस्क्रायब कोणाले कोना काय तुमकां नाक जालें आनीक अप टू यू
I did.
तुवें केलें मुगो बरें आहा लोकांक सांगोता मगे अशें करून तोंड पूण चोयन कोराय बिकेश मागोता न्ही या म्हाका आनी मॅक्स कब्रालाकू बीन प्लीज सबस्क्रायब ओके आय थिंक इट्स टायम टू से बाय बाय पोमोटाले लोकांक आवय बाय फास्ट म्हणचे ते केदो काय व्हिडिओ काबा जाल्या पळय म्हाकाय बीन कित्याक गरम जालें See you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. And hoping to see you guys soon. एक किस दिचोया तेंका लेफ्ट हँड आन दिला पिशे बाय बाय